What up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? Let me get this look. Let me get this look closer right here. All right, man. I just want y'all to see. Let me get this. It's a reason why I'm getting it close, and I'll tell you in a minute when you stick to the end of the video. I just want to say, man, whatever you want to do in life, man, go ahead for it right now. Go for it right now. Do not hesitate. Put small efforts into whatever you want to do. If you want to start a business, go for your education through YouTube. Read a book. I mean, we got a couple more weeks left. The United States is going to be down. But it could take longer. It wouldn't matter to me. Like, it wouldn't matter to me because I believe in that I'm going to be a success, and I believe that I know that the success is for me. The success that I have envisioned in my mind, that I know is for me because I wouldn't have envisioned it if it wasn't for me. I wrote it down, I made it plain, and I wrote it on the tablet, and I put it on my heart. So that if I don't make it, my children can make it when they read it. Those that know where I got that from. And I just paraphrase it and put it into my life. Because you got to make things that you believe in yours. Make it yours. Make it yours. That person that you watching on YouTube, that person that you watching on Facebook, that person that you following on Instagram, make it yours. Make that success yours. The reason that you're attracted to that kind of success is because you have that inside of you. I look at a lot of people, and some people I don't watch. And the people that I watch have a little similarity to my background. I can see a path to where I can get there. I believe in what they say. They have me believing that it could be me. You know what I'm saying? So if I believe in what they saying for them, then how can I not believe in that for me? My last video, I pointed at a spot that was right here. I had some paint upstairs. I went and got the paint that I had left over. And I didn't like that spot behind me. I went and I painted it. And then I came back. I changed my shirt just to be real. Changed my shirt, kept the same hat on, changed my shirt. And I said, let me do a video right behind that one just to show that progress is going to be in everything I do. Now, I'm about to go handle some business. So this was just a quick one. This was just a quick video. Man, but if you like what I got coming, man, hit the subscribe button. There's a bell to be notified every time I put a video up. You can share if you think that someone else would like to hear it. And I always say throw positive vibes up in the atmosphere for those that don't want to do nothing else. Just throw something positive out there, man. I believe in butterfly effect, energy, or however, whatever you want to call it. Just throw it out there, man. And leave a comment below. As I say, wishing ain't doing enough. Get out there and get it. Clear up your spots. As whatever you feel like is holding you back, man, just go and then make it better as you continue to go. Oh man, what was the title of this video? I don't even know. But I will say, done is a new perfect, and guess what? Another one done. Wishing ain't doing enough. Let's get to it, man. I'm out of here. Peace.